Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. In today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox and see what I received from Orzly. I want to shout them out for actually sending this gift box to me. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so Orzly was nice enough to send me this package. I actually looked this up. You can pick up this whole thing from Orzly on Amazon or their website, orzly.com. But this package actually comes with 3 different cases and a screen protector and some other goodies. So let's get into it. Let's see what we get. So you have one case. Let's take everything out. I think I got everything. So you get a car charger. Bam. You get a ring stand. That's actually pretty cool. If you use it, that's actually really cool. Then you get a screen protectors. Premium tempered glass. I probably will install these on a different video because I don't want the video too long. You have a pen, stylus, should I say? Then you also have 2 other cases. Bam! Let me pull up on Amazon really quick. It is $19.95. I will have the link in the description. It's Prime eligible, but you can buy each case separate also if you wanted to. I will have the links in the description for that. But you get the multifunctional wallet case. You get the Luxe case. And then you get a slim case for your phone. And then tempered screen protector. Okay, so let's get into the cases really quick. Here's your beautiful iPhone. Look at that. Nice presentation. Little peep thing here so you can check out the case. See what else you get in this box. I think there's something else in here. I think this is a thank you card. So you have a little thank you card from Orzly. Bam. Let's see. This is a nice... Ooh, look at that. Soft material. Like a suede type of material. Man. Little brand in there. Now, will this be a drop protection case? No. But let's go over it really quick. You have your body rockers. You have your alert button. You also have your power button there. You have your card slot there. So you put a credit card, your ID. You go out for the night. Bam. Let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. I don't want to share any music. Now, you do have to cut out for the bottom. So if you drop the phone, again, it's not going to give you that protection. But this case is for style. If you're going out, you don't want to take your wallet. Ladies, you don't want to take your whole purse. Bam. Let's see if the power button works. Definitely works. The volume rockers work. Now, they're a little hard to push, but they definitely work. Let's see. The alert slider is easy to get to. No problem at all. Especially if you have fingernails. I don't have that much fingernails, but as you can tell, I turned it on and off. Now, the one thing we always want to look at, the lip action, there's none. Now, camera hump is pretty much even too. So I would be very careful putting the phone down on the back and the front. But you should have a screen protector on it anyway. But this is a multifunctional wallet case. Bam, that's actually, I like the material. Gives you that extra grip. Will this one wireless charge? We already know it will. I won't even try it. Now the fit is good. Look, I mean, I can't get this thing off. So the fit is there. I mean, it's definitely fits on your phone pretty tight. So let's go into the next one. The next one looks like I think this is a full wallet case. Same presentation. Oh, this one. Ooh. This one is a nice case too. So you get the same little thank you card. A little brand in there too. This is a nice case. This one is the one you're going out on a business trip. You bust out this case. Let's remove this. So as you can tell, you have your little slots up here. The holes are really, man, you can put a couple cards in there. Little brand in there too. Put your money there. Man, this is a nice case. Nice snap there, magnet. So let's just go over the case itself. It's a TPU. You have your volume rockers there. The cutouts look great. Power button on that side. I'm liking this case. Let's do the smell test. Oh, it smells good too. Alright, so let's see if it works as a case. Okay. So, no Google Music. Look at that, I have some lip, but I mean, if you're putting your phone down, you don't have to worry about it at all. Enough camera hump there too. Look at the cutouts. They actually look great. Let's open this bad boy up. Volume rockers are, I mean, the power button is nice and easy to open. Volume rockers are there. The cutout has a good cutout for the silent button there. Notifications, whatever you want to call it. The ringer button, slaughter. Actually, this is a nice case. I'm liking this case. This is like a professional business case. Bam. And like I said, it's a nice wallet case too. So this one is definitely a good one. Let's move on to the last one. I think the last one is that thin case. And this one fits good too. So, same presentation. Nice little pull tab. Yeah, so this is a thin case. This one is you rocking around the house. It has the same card in there, the thank you card. This one, if you're rocking around the house, you don't want much of a case on your phone. You just want to protect that beautiful back from getting scratches. This is your case. Let's try this one on. Man, it's nice and snug too. So bam. The cutouts are there. Bam, there you go. The volume rockers and the silent button. The power button on that side. Let's see, let's check this out. Power button works. Volume rockers are definitely nice and tactile. Let's check out the lip. Again, no lip, but hopefully you have a screen protector on it. So if you want to place it down, the screen protector will keep it. Same thing with the back. The back has some lip on there. See that little raise? You don't have to worry about scratching up your lens. But this is definitely, hey, this is a walk around the house. You don't want that much of a case on your phone. Or if you're a lady, you don't want to carry a bulky case. This one may work out for you. Because a lot of people don't wear cases, put cases on their phones because they don't like the size. That one's just a thin fit. So we have the wallet, we have the thin, and then we have the multiple function card case there. All three cases from Orzly. Again, I want to shout them out for sending this to me for review. Stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely review the screen protector in a video coming up really soon. Again, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone X, S Max. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.